Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Sorry, can't hear
Now
me.
it is clear.
Okay. What doubt you had? Ananya, what doubt you had?
Sir, there was no doubt, sir.
Okay. Okay. So
I
how
just
many?
told that.
Okay.
I just told that my grandmother had passed on. So
Right. Okay. 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 That's fine. Okay. 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 How many of you didn't attempt the test? How many of you didn't give the test? So everyone gave the test. So Joya, Ali, Ananya. Okay, Ananya got it. Who is this? Palak Patak. Who is this? Okay, Joya Ali.
Palak Pathak.
Joya Ali, I understood. But after finishing your school, you can write that, right? Test is live till 8 o'clock. Yes. Who is Palak?
Sir, my name is Palak Pathak. Sir, actually, I couldn't attend the test because I'm new here, and then I couldn't join the induction class. So I called the counselor, and then there was some problem. So my father had his meeting, so he tried doing it, and it was like the problem was recovered by like 9 p.m. at the night.
Okay, okay. So you'll be writing the test from the next week onwards, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about Ali, Joya Ali? Ali, can you speak, Ali? Ah, yes. If you open, look at this. I'll show you how to go through the notes and how to check and how to download the notes. I'll tell you everything. Look at this here. Hope you can see the screen here. See, 1 second. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, Joya Ali. Now, here, can you see the playlist left side?
yes, sir.
Yes. After going that, look at this. Here, class 10th maths, class, where is your class? 1 second.
Sir, I didn't find class 9.
1 second, 1 second. Look at this here. Class 9 math 2022-23. Can you see this? Down
Okay,
side.
sir.
Yes, if you click on that, you can find out all the lecture videos. Let me show it to you. Look at this. You can see, you can find out the playlist.
Sir, I couldn't find the playlist, sir. You showed me then.
Yes. Please go through that. You just check it properly. Okay. You will definitely get it. Look at this. Understood my point? Chanakya tutorial. The name is what? Chanakya
Yes, sir.
tutorial. Okay. Yes. Next, this is how you can go and just look at the recordings and the notes. If you want notes, look at this. You have to open the Google Classroom. If you don't have an access, please do ask Sirisha ma'am. She will provide the Google Classroom link so that you can join and have an access for downloading the notes. Fine. Look at this. I'll show you 9A CT. Now 2022-23 batch, right? So if you open that, look at this here. Surya Rathore posted a new material and number system lecture 3. If you open this, look at this here. You can see the notes. Look at this here.
Yeah, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can see if you click on this, If you click on this, you can see the notes. If you want to download, you can download, or if you don't want to download, you can copy still from here. Look at this. How whatever I write here, I'll be uploading here. You can all see the screen, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is how we can do beta. Hope it is clear now. So we'll go for the questions. We'll go for question paper discussion now. Look at this here. Preview. You can go with the preview. The value of 0.423 is what? Decimal. You have converting the decimal into fraction. So look at this, everyone. 0.423 can be written as what? 423 divided by 1000. Correct? Very simple. The first question is very simple. Is that clear with everyone?
423 by 1000.
Yes. Any doubt here? If
No
any
doubt,
one of
sir.
you are having doubt, so you can just ask me immediately. Don't feel shy to. The special class students, I mean, we had an extra class, right? So those students must respond in the class. Definitely you have to respond in the class. You cannot, be like, responding in the class. I should see everyone is responding in the class. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat the first question also?
See, 0.423 given beta, the value of 0.423 is what? Look at the options he has given. 423 by 1000, 423 by 100, 423 by 990, 419 by 990. How come it is possible? Look at this here. 423 I have after decimal. After decimal, how many points? 1, 2, 3. So 3 means 3 zeros in the denominator. That's it. 423 divided by, we have 3 decimal places. So 3 zeros you'll be getting in the denominator. Correct? Any doubts?
Understood, sir.
Yes. Next question. So by taking root 2 is equal to 1.414, write the value of 5 root 2 divided by 5. All right. Yes. And 1 second before discussing this question, and I think Ananya, not Ananya, Sahasra and few students were saying that, sir, I easily get distracted from the study hours, or from the work of which I do. For that, beta, look at this, everyone. You keep challenging. You have to challenge yourself. How you have to challenge? So first, if you are going to study mathematics for 1 hour, let's say that you are going to study mathematics for 1 hour. Okay, maths for 1 hour. So this 1 hour, what you have to do is you divide into 15, 15, 15, 15, or else you divide like this: 15, 15, or 60 minutes. So you divide like this: first 15 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, so what is this 50 minutes? That 50 minutes, 15 minutes, you have to keep your target. Okay, this 15 minutes target. Okay, all right. So then 5 minutes break. 5 minutes break. Okay, then 5 minutes break, right? Last 25 minutes, what you have to do? Last 25 minutes. Look at this. 50 and 50, another 15 minute again target. And last 10 minutes revision, what you studied, so that you will not get distraction. Sahasra, understood the curriculum, understood the flow chart?
Yes, sir.
See, target means what? What do you mean by the target here?
So what we have done that day? So whatever we have done that day?
That is not the target. Target is, I'm not talking about that target. First, suppose you are going to study a number system. Okay, number system. In the first 15 minutes, your target should be solving continuously 15 minutes and solving 4 questions. At any cost, I shouldn't, minimum 4 questions, maximum 5 questions. Look at this. 5 questions, simple questions you will be having in a number systems. See, any number, as much as you can. So I'm not telling that 5 questions only you should solve. Yeah, one student might take 20 minutes to solve one question, another student might take 10 minutes, another student might take 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Yes, it completely depends on individual. So you keep your target. You keep your target. So 5 questions or 2 questions or 3 questions or 4 questions. How many questions you want to solve? First 15 minutes you target it. Okay, as soon as you finish that, beta, as soon as you finish that, go with this target. Another 15 minutes, what is my target? And another 15 minutes, what is my target? Sir, 15 minutes I want to take break. 15 minutes I want to take break. Within 15 minutes, if you take break, means you're not studying then. You can't take after 15 minutes, you can't take break. After half an hour, if you take, okay, reasonable. But first 15 minutes, what is your target? Next 15 minutes, what is your target? If you're finishing, let's say 3 questions in the first 15 minutes, another 15 minutes also, your target should be 3 questions. Okay, take 5 minutes break, have water, relax. If you want to go with any distractions, kind of like taking break or looking at a mobile, don't play games. Within 5 minutes you can't play and you can't finish your game, so don't touch the mobile. If you want, it would be very better. So if you want to open your, like, what you call that, if you want to open your other things, if you want to open any other, like, if you want to do any kind of small work at your home, which is related to your studies, which is related to your homework, whatever, so you can just go through that once 5 minutes, or else you completely take break, relax, just lie on the bed, just relax, have water, calm and compost 5 minutes. As soon as you finish that beta, again 15 minutes target, again 3 questions, again 3 questions, and last whatever you did, 9 questions. Those 9 questions you must revise last 10 minutes, so that you will be done with your revision, as well as you will be having a proper curriculum, proper flow chart, proper idea what to be done on that particular day. You will be having a proper idea, plan. Understood my point, Sahasra? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So it follows to everyone. So what is your target? 15, 15, 5, 15, 10. So just look at this here. You have to follow this. If you follow this, definitely you will see. Follow for 1 week and tell me the result. Are you able to adapt to that? Are you able to enjoy with that? Enjoy with the plan or not? You let me know after following, like, 4 to 5 days at least. Okay, Sahasra. Not only Sahasra, every student here must do the same. 15 minutes means 15 minutes. Pakka 110%. You have to give your best. 15 minutes target. 3 questions. 3 questions. I'm telling an example. 3 questions. If it is the easiest question, you can go 5, 10 questions as well on the 15 minutes. But I'm telling an example. So number of questions. You decide how many questions you are going to finish within first 15 minutes, and the next 15 minutes, how many questions. So 15 minutes finished means finished. That's it. You challenge yourself. Challenge yourself. Yes, I'm challenging Sahasra versus Sahasra. Sahasra versus Sahasra only. Not Sahasra versus any other student. Sahasra versus Sahasra. So all right, getting my point? Understood my word. Nitya versus Nitya. All right. So Manogna versus Manogna. You versus you only, always. Understood? Don't compete to anyone. Don't compare with anyone. Always you versus you. You versus you. You have to fight to yourself. You are challenging yourself. Look at this here. Here X student, here also X student. X is challenging to X only. All right. So compete yourself. If you are beating yourself, you can beat anyone. You beat yourself. Beating yourself is nothing but what? Achieving your targets. Sir, I have a very big target in future. That is different, beta. If you are not finishing these 15-minute targets, these chotu targets, you cannot achieve those big targets. So every day, this 15-minute 15 minutes targets, daily basis targets you have, right? If you are able to finish them on a proper planned basis, definitely you could be able to see very immense and remarkable result in your future. All right, beta, getting my point? Hope it is helpful to you all, the idea which I gave you. All right, are you able to understand here, children?
Understood, sir.
Yes. So we'll go for the next question. So by taking root 2 value is equal to 1.414, write the value of 5 root 2 by 2. So first of all, look at this. Second question, root 2 value, how much given, beta? He has given 1.414. So we need to find out 5 root 2 by 2 value. 5 root 2 by 2. So
just we need to substitute the root 2
yes,
as 1.414 and then simplify it.
yes, very good. So 5 into 1.414 divided by 2. Why? Because root 2 value he has given.
So since it's divisible by 2, we can say that two ones are two, and then we can reduce and then.
Yes, you can do like that as well. Or else if you want to multiply this, look at this here. If you multiply, and you can multiply with that as well. Look at this, 5 into 1414 divided by 1000, right? After decimal, we have 3 places. So 1000 by 2. So how can you write this now? 5 into 1414 divided by 2000. So 5 into 1414, how much? I'll tell you the shortcut to solve this. First of all, you
So
just
can I say?
1 second. 1414 you have. 1414 is nothing but 1414. So first of all, 14 fives we know that how much? 7000. Correct? 7000 plus 14 fives how much? Understood my point?
Sir, I have a small question.
1 second. So 1400 into 5 how much? 1400 into 5 at a 7000. Okay. Plus we have 14. We have 1414, right? So 1400 plus 14. So 5 into 1400 plus 5 into 14. So 5 into 14 how much? 70. So how much you get now? 7070. 7070 by 2000. 0 0 will get cancelled now. Now or else you just, if you want to multiply, you can multiply normally as well. If you multiply normally as well, nothing will happen. So what is the answer you will be getting? Option A, 3.535 you will be getting. Look at this. Okay, so 707 by 200 is nothing, but it is almost like not 3 point something you must get. Only option available option is A. See, need not to solve fully. Look at this, 201, 204 it's not possible. 202 also very big number. So 203 is the nearest and approximate value. 3 point something will be your answer. 3 point something would be your answer. Look at this, option A is correct. Check. Any doubts here? But understood the understood the procedure which I told.
Sir, can you explain again?
Yes, yes. Look at this here. What I'm telling here is 5 root 2 divided by 5 root 2 divided by 2 given. He's asking us to find the value of this. So 5 into root 2 value I substituted here divided by 2. Correct? So 5 into 1.414 gives you what? Sir, I don't want to multiply like that. 5 into 1.4, something like this. Look at this here. 5 into 1.414. How much? How much it gives you? Or else, sir, I want to take simple multiplication and then do that. 5 into 1.4. Tell me the answer. 5 into 1.414. So it will be giving you around how much? 7.07 divided by 2. So understood. This into this gives you beta 7.07. So now cancel this, 2 ones, 2 threes, 2 3 6, 1 decimal, so 1 reminder, so 2 5 something like that. So 3.5 something would be your answer. 3 point something. Now if at all you don't want to do that, first of all you write this 1.41 is the right, you write into fraction form, like 1414 by 1000 divided by 2. So 5 into 1414. Now 2 into 1000 here. So 2000. So 5 into 1414 is 7070 by 2000. 0 0 will get cancelled. So 707 by 200. So 203 times something. So option A is correct. Hope it is clear, but a very simple calculation. All right.
Yes, understood, sir.
Now, which of the following statement is not true? Which of the following statement is not true one? So 5 root 3 is a real number.
It is true.
Yes, as a real root, pi is equal to 22 by 7. True. All rational numbers
Yes,
are
sir.
all the rational numbers are terminating or recurring. All the rational numbers are terminating or
sir.
recurring.
Yes, sir. It will be. Yes, sir.
Look at this. He is asking about not true. Pi is equal to 22 by 7, and a product of two irrational numbers can be a rational or irrational.
Sir, this is what I wanted to discuss, that all the statements which are given to be there are true. There is nothing which is not.
Sir, there's nothing, sir, which is.
not
Yes. Yes. Okay,
Sir, but
okay.
I got that wrong, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll be, yes. We'll be, what do you call that? Editing this question, and we'll be correcting that. No problem. We'll be editing. We'll be updating your marks.
Sir, okay.
Sir, what is the third question's answer?
No. The question, yes, that is a bonus. I'll give a bonus, or else I'll take maximum marks as 76 and give accordingly. Okay.
Sir, you,
Yes, sir.
I think you did not discuss the question two irrational numbers. That question, no, sir.
Which one?
Two irrational numbers between 2 and 2.5. That we didn't discuss, no, sir.
Uh-huh.
No, sir, we didn't discuss the question which is two irrational numbers between 2 and 2.5.
Where is the question? No, 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 no. See, questions would not be in order. Okay. For everyone, the questions would be jumbling. So for you, the fourth question was the question which you are telling now. But here the fourth question is something like this.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, you will be getting the question. Yes, that is ninth question.
Yes.
But
Okay.
it was fourth question for you. Okay. Yes. Now, how many of you did this fourth one?
Sir, me, sir, I got it right.
Quick, quick, quick.
Sir, this question,
Which one?
like what you are showing.
Okay. Did it? See, have you? Have you solved?
No, sir. Actually, this question also I wanted to say something
Why?
about. Yes, sir. Here, the correct answer is B because the value of B is -1. But the question given there is which of the following is not the value of B? -1 is the value of B. So 2, -3, 4 are not the value of B. So I thought 2 can be given because A value is 2, B value is -1. According to question, not the value is given, but the answer which they gave is value of B is -1. That is where I didn't understand about the question after submitting it. Because the question states which is not the value of B.
Okay, 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 okay. Look at this. So we will discuss that. One second. Let me take this question. Paste it here. Yeah.
I did solve it, sir, that it is the value of B, I know. But it said not the value. A value is 2, B value is -1. So I thought not the value of B means A value we have to write. So I wrote 2, sir. It shows wrong.
Okay, okay, okay. But as per your answer, options are not given to you. Correct? In options, your answer is not available.
Like, no, sir, like what I wanted to say is not the value of
Yes,
B
yes,
means I thought
understood,
A
understood.
value will come. So I kept 2. But
Yes, yes, the
question
question as per your question, whatever the answer you got, it is not available in the options. Okay.
Huh.
So √3 - 1 divided by √3 + 1. Okay. So for doing this, what I have to do? √3 - 1 divided by
3
√3
minus
-
1,
1. Correct? A plus
Yes.
B √3. Rationalization I did. Perfect?
Yes, sir.
Let me just pull it down.
Yes,
So,
sir.
now what it happens? So √3 - 1 into √3 - 1, √3 - 1 whole square in the numerator. In the denominator, √3 whole square minus 1 square. It is like a square minus b square. Correct? So √3 - 1 whole square is what? A square. A square is 3 plus b square minus 2
Yes,
times of
sir.
√3 divided by 3 minus 1 gives you a plus b √3. Correct? Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
4 minus 2 √3 divided by 2 is equal to a plus b √3. Now how can you solve here? Taking
Sir, 2 minus √3.
Hmm? Hmm.
So the answer will be 2 minus √3, and then A is 2, and then B is -1.
Yes, by 2 is equal to a plus b √3. Correct?
Yes.
Now look at this here.
Yes, sir.
We can cancel these two, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 2 minus √3 is equal to a plus b √3. Correct? How can you solve this now? How can you find out a and b value? Check.
Can you go back onto the screen once?
Yeah, one second. Look at this here. Yeah.
Okay.
As per the options, let's go with this. As per the options, which of the following are satisfying with A and B? If A is equal to 2, B is equal to -1.
Sir, here,
Let me show the
sir, can
first.
I say here?
Yes,
Sir, after this 2 minus square root of 3 is A plus B square root of 3. So here A is equals to 2, B is equals to minus 1. Means how to say
You are
is like
comparing. You are
see,
comparing.
sorry sir.
Yes, you are comparing on both sides. So 2
Yes sir.
plus minus of root 3 is equal to A plus B root 3. Something like this. Correct?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
How many of you did in this way?
I did it sir.
What about others?
Sir, even me, sir.
Same thing you did?
Sir, once can you show the first?
Look at that.
No, sir, don't explain it. Just show me, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, can you just show me the first question?
First one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the first question.
Okay, sir, you can scroll down.
Yes. Tell me now. Just tell me how many of you did. I'm asking every one of you here.
Sir, I did like this, sir. I got the same answer.
But yes, he's asking is which of the following is not value of B?
Sir, I thought minus 3 and 4 don't come because I guess they don't exist in the question currently. So I thought not the value of B means value of A. Value of A is 2, so I kept 2.
What
Sir,
about
it will be
others?
4, sir, I guess.
No. Look at this here, beta.
Sir, I pressed like -1, sir.
Yes. A value is look at this. If you substitute A value 2, B value is -1, and both sides look at this 2 minus root 3. Both sides we are getting LHS equal to RHS. So A value is 2, B value must be -1 only. A value is 2, B value -1. Correct? So B value -1. So which of the following is not the value of B is nothing but 2 is also not value of B, 3 is also. So it should be what is the value of B actually, not value of A. Correct? It should have been value of A. It should have been deducted this not actually. Which of the following is not given, right? So we have to remove that not. If you remove that not,
But will you allot marks for me because I thought not will only.
no problem. I'll take those questions. See here, whatever the questions are wrong, I'll just remove them. If 2 questions are wrong means 8 marks we have deducted. So 72 would be your maximum marks. I'll be considering out of 72 and giving a percentage accordingly. Okay. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next. So what is the answer of this? Root 5 minus 2 divided by root 5 plus 2 minus root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 minus 2. So we will solve this question. How many of you did this?
Sir, I remember having a doubt in this one only.
So can you go back onto the question once?
Yes.
Sir, I made a mistake in this one, sir.
Okay. We will solve it. Look at this. No problem.
Root 5 minus.
Root 5 minus.
Sir, I know how to solve it, sir. Like instead of root,
One second. I know that you know that, but you made a mistake in the question exam. That is what you shouldn't do that. Look at this here, beta. What you have to do for this type of questions is, I'll tell
Sir,
you.
I did correct answer only, sir.
Okay. See, cross multiply this into this and this into this. Root 5 minus 2 whole square minus root 5 plus 2 whole square divided by this into this. So a plus b into a minus b in the denominator. So a square minus b square. Any doubt till this? Till this, any doubts?
No, sir.
See, cross multiplication, but if you have x minus y by y minus z, how do you do? X into z minus y into y square divided by y into z. So this is how we solve it. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So now look at this here. So a minus b whole square is what? A square is nothing but 5 plus B square is nothing but 4 minus 2AB minus A square. A square is nothing but 5, right? B square plus 2AB divided by 5 minus 4. Correct? So 5 plus 4, 9 minus 4 root 5 minus 9 minus 4 root 5. Correct? Divided by 1. So this will get cancelled. You will be getting what? 2 times of 4 root 5. All right, which is minus 8 root 5. 4 root 5, 4 root 5 minus 8 root 5, right? Isn't it? Minus 8 root 5 would be your answer. All right.
Sir, like I got the wrong answer for the next question, 6th one. I mean.
Any doubt here? Any doubt, people? Here, beta, look at this here. How
No,
I got?
sir.
Yes, 5
Sir,
plus.
I just
No, sir,
like
no.
I didn't do the whole step in there, sir. I just did it. Okay, I just left out the step and did it. Is that okay? Will they accept it in the exams?
It will not be accepted in the board exam. It will be accepted in, I know, a competitive exam. Like, in MCQ test, it will be accepted. Why? Because no one is going to check how you got that answer. But subjective test means, like, they'll
Yes,
be
sir.
definitely checking your steps and giving the marks accordingly.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Like first the step, if they give this many marks also.
Yes,
Sir?
yes. Step by step. Yes, beta.
Sir, how did you get 5 plus 4 minus 2?
Which one?
5.
How?
Sir, the third step.
This one?
5 plus 4 minus 2. Yes, sir.
How did I get this? That is what you know.
Yes.
What I did
Yes,
here is, look at this here. Here it is 5 minus root 5 minus 2 whole square, right? It is like A square plus B square minus 2AB. Correct? A plus B, A minus B whole square formula.
Yes, sir.
So A minus B whole square formula is what? A square plus B square minus 2AB, isn't it? The same formula I'm applying here. All right.
Yes, sir.
So A value is root 5, B value is 2, A square plus B square minus 2AB. So that is what I did here. And root 5 square is how much, beta? 5 plus 4, 2 square how much? 4 minus 2 to the 4, 4 root 5. So 9 minus 4 root 5. That is how I wrote here 9 minus 4 root 5 after solving this. Check. And similarly here A plus B whole square. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. So 9 minus 4 root 5. Why? Because you have minus outside it. All right. Minus into plus, minus, minus into plus,
Yes.
minus again. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it, people?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
Yes,
No
sir.
doubts, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay.
No, sir, no doubt.
Sohan Ram, please be on time every day. Sohan Ram, are you here? Tanvi, are you here? Tanvi?
Yes, sir.
Tanvi, are you able to understand Tanvi?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Any doubt? What is the mark you got in exam?
I don't know, sir. I need to check with them.
Sorry?
I don't remember, sir.
Did you write the test?
Yes, sir.
What was your mark? But oh, Tanvi, I think you got only 10 marks, beta. You got very less marks. Okay, so no problem. See, you try to listen the class properly. Okay. Sohan Ram, okay, no problem. Take care. Please be on time. Tanvi, coming to the point, please do listen the class properly. Whatever the homework I give you, please do solve it after finishing the class. Without fail, if you are solving the problem of homework and following the class regularly, as soon as you finish the class, go and revise it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Your revision will be done within 5 to 10 minutes if and only if you listen the class properly. Is it clear with everyone? Your revision will be done revision by yourself.
Yes, sir.
Look at this, beta. If you are listening, this is the class, beta. You are listening the class properly. You are listening the class properly. Okay. After finishing the class, whatever the revision you wanted to do of today's class, That will be done within 5 to 10 minutes. If you are not listening to the class, each and every step will take 10 minutes. For revision itself, you will be finishing your entire day. So that is a waste of time. So listen the class properly. Your future completely depends on how you listen the classes. If you are listening the classes and working hard on that, definitely you will be getting very good result. If you are not listening the class properly, if you are mentally absent in the class and without asking the doubts, if you are simply sitting in the class, your doubts will be remain same with you, and your doubt will not be get clarified, and at last you will be getting lost. You'll be getting lost in terms of getting a good result. So please try to understand what I'm saying. Listen the class properly, revise the notes within 10 minutes after finishing the class. Before you start homework, please revise the notes, and whatever the homework I give, 5 to 6 questions I'll give every day, not more than that. Everyone must should solve that and must ask the doubts inside the class. If I give a time, if I give an opportunity, everyone should ask the doubt and get clarified your things. So that if you are following all these points, let's see who is gonna stop you. You can crack the result. You can just rock the exam actually. All right. Getting my point, Tanvi? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt here?
No, sir.
You understood what I taught here? How did we solve it? You understood?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this.
Yes.
Very good. The exponential from, this is not from actually, the exponential form of
From.
root root. So
I got this right, sir.
very good. Look at this here. Exponential form of whole root 2 into root 2 into root 2. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, what we do here is root 2 into root 2 into root 2. What we write here? Root 2 whole cube. Correct?
Root 2.
So root 3 times, so root 2 whole cube. So now this root 2 whole cube can be written as what? Root root 2 can be written as what? 2 to the power of 1 by 2, isn't it? Isn't it, people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of 3. Well, because root 2 can be written as simple root can be written as beta root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. Correct? That is, since you write reason why we are writing like this. Okay, root 2 can be written as like this, whole to the power of 3 as it is I wrote. Any doubt? Now root as it is. Now when you have two powers something like this, I asked you to multiply both the powers. So I have two powers, 1 by 2 and 3. I'll be multiplying both the powers. If I multiply, so I'll be getting 3 by 2. Correct? Yes. Now again look at this here. It is looking like root some number, root x kind of thing. So that can be written as what? Root x again can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. So this can be written as 2 to the power of 3 by 2 all to the power of 1 by 2. Am I correct? Isn't it?
Sir, how, sir? Oh, okay, sir. Yes, sir. X.
Yes. So
Yes,
2
sir.
to the power of 3 by 4. 2 to the power of 3 by 4 is the answer. Multiplying both the powers again. Isn't it? 3 into 1, 3 divided by 2 into 2, 4. So 3 by 4 is the answer. So 3 by 2 to the power of 3 by 4. 2 to the power of 3 by 4. Option C is correct. Check.
To the power.
Sir, I got it correct.
Very good.
Sir, I
Anvita.
didn't understand.
Okay, where you didn't understand, beta?
Sir, why did you multiply that with 1 by 2?
Look at it. Look at the formula which we have here. Whenever you have two powers, for suppose you have x to the power of m.
Sir, how is it 1 by 2 only, sir? Why can't it be something else, sir?
Square root. Square is nothing but in mathematics 2. Cube is nothing but 3 in mathematics. We are talking about square root, not cube. That is why 1 by 2. Getting my point? Hello? Square is
No,
nothing but what?
sir. No.
No. What I'm asking here is what is
Two.
square? Square root is nothing but what? Hello?
Sir, I'm not getting, sir, how you're doing it, sir. Why is it x square as a...
No. Look at this here. Mathematics. I'll tell you, there will be a big. You have to understand the graph there. First of all, look at this. I'm telling you, Here root x, this can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2 beta. If I at all have something like this, how do you write this as? This is square root of x. How do you read this as? Square root of x. How do you read the below one? How do you write this below one? Cube root of x. Cube root of x can be written as cube root of x. This is how we read that as. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Who is Shreyas? He understood now? Hello? Understood my point? Why? Hello? Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. You can.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now here,
Yes, sir, you're audible.
yes. Many why someone I 1 second. Someone of you were asking why it is something like that. Shreyas is joining now. Yes. Shreyas, you are here. Hello. Yes, show yeah, Sohan Ram. Yes. Shreyas, you are here, beta. In general mathematics, look at this in mathematics. In general mathematics, our mathematicians found that x to the power of something 1 by n is meaning. What is the meaning of this? Means the nth root of x. Okay, this is nth root of x, and this can be written as nth root of x. Understood my point? Shreyasi, understood? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Sir, I'm Nitya.
Yes.
I understood, but I don't know what Shreyas is.
Shreyas,
Sir, I left the
yes,
sir.
yeah,
I
yeah. In mathematics, beta, in general, this is very important. Generally, in mathematics, we write x to the power of 1 by n is that nth root of x. How do you pronounce that as nth root of x? That can be written as nth root of
sir, just like how we do for cube, sir. Instead of 3, we put
yes,
as n.
yes. Look at square. I'm telling, right? Look at it. For suppose you write no problem like this. What is the meaning of this? X to the power 1 by 2. Correct. Here, basically, we have
Yes, sir.
in place of n, we have 2. Correct. Like that. As like as cube, we write square for square root. Okay. Similarly, I did here. Look at this here. So first 3 times of root 2 half. So root 2 cube I wrote. So root 2 can be written as 2 to the power 1 by 2. Cube as it is I wrote. And 2 to the power of 1 by 2 into 3 gives me, I just multiplied these two powers. Since if I have two powers, I must multiply both the powers. I multiplied that. I got square root of 2 to the power of 3 by 2. And the 2 to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, again I remove this square root. If I remove this square root, what it becomes? It becomes as 1 by 2. So again I multiply these two, which means my answer is going to be 2 to the power of 3 by 2 is my final answer. Correct? Any doubts?
Yes, sir. No, sir, no doubt, sir.
Hope it is perfect now. Yes. Now you can take this as a note actually. You can take this as a note, okay, after the class. And next question. 2 to the power of 5x. Very, very brilliant question. 2 to the power of 5x divided by 2 to the power of x. So let me write here. The question is 2 to the power of 5x divided by 2 to the power of x. Brilliant. Is equal to fifth root of 5 root 5 is inside beta. Now what is the difference between this one and what is the difference between this one? Both are different beta. This is 5 into root 20. This is fifth root of root 20. Understood my point?
Yes,
Both
sir.
are
Yes,
different
sir.
beta. This is 5 root 20. This is what is that?
Fifth root of 20.
20 to the power of 1 by 5. Both are different. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Now check, we need to find out x value here. What we need to find out x value. I'm teaching very slow beta. Look at this. Everyone must understand. Why? Because this is the first time you're solving all this type of questions. So I'm taking bit time to make you guys to understand. Then you can go forward. No problem. This can be written as what? 2 to the power of 20, all to the power of 5, correct? Isn't it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you once show the question which you are sharing?
Yes. Make it fast.
Okay, got it, sir.
Yes. So now whenever you have a formula called x to the power of m divided by x to the power of n, how can you write this as x to the power of m minus n? Correct? This is the formula we learnt in the last class. All right. Now, similarly, same formula I'm applying here. So 2 to the power of 5x into 2 to the power of, okay, you simply do here. Bases are same, right? So 2 to the power of 5x minus 1x. Correct? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Here,
So 2 to power of
Yes,
4x.
sir.
yes. All right. So that is how we can write is equal to here. Two powers I have. So I will be multiplying both the powers. How much
The
you get?
10 we will get.
You will be getting 5 ones, 5 fours, right? So 2 to the
Total
power of
answer 10, sir.
4x is equal to 2 to the power of 4. Not total answer 4. Who said total answer 4? Look at this here.
No, sir, 10 is the total answer.
No, not even 10. Look at this. So both bases are same, beta. Whenever both bases are same, I'll be equating their powers. Look at this. 4x is equal to 4. 4 will get cancelled. Answer is equal to 1. Not 10.
Sir, then why does it show 1 over there?
Look at it. X to the power of n and x to the power of n, if at all you have both bases are same or not, here you can write this as m is equal to n.
Okay, sir.
Correct? So similarly I did here, which I got x value as 1. Option D is correct. Check. Next question. So how many prime numbers
Sir,
are there
but we
between?
are not, once can you go up? Sir, but we are not getting questions the way you are posting them, sir. We are getting as 25x divided by 2x, like that only we are getting.
25x.
Sir, can we play a quiz?
My goodness. No. Lalit. Next class, question paper, whenever we have a question paper discussion that day, it is not possible. Why? Because, for solving these questions itself, it is a kind of quiz. For solving these questions itself, we are taking time, but definitely I'll be playing a quizzes every day. As soon as we finish the syllabus, every day we'll be, playing the quiz. But, and a regular class, definitely, for your seniors, I used to conduct quizzes on everyday basis. Every day, 2-3 quizzes we used to conduct. So you don't bother at all about the quizzes. I'll definitely will conduct you. That is my guarantee. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me. It is showing 25x. How come it shows?
No, sir, not for this question, another question.
So how many prime numbers are there between 0 to 30? Very simple. 10 prime numbers.
Sir. Yes,
Two,
sir.
what is
I
that?
wrote 1 to 30 and I counted.
Yes. Guys. And how many have you solved the 9th question?
I did, sir. So this was the point I wanted to discuss with you very seriously.
Okay.
Seriously means like I just wanted to discuss that.
Oh.
9th question.
Okay. No problem.
Sir, can you show 7th question answer?
Seriously, it's nothing but, aggressively, are you going to fight to me?
No, sir, I didn't mean that.
Okay, I'm joking.
Sorry, sir.
I'm
Sir,
joking.
can you once?
Which one?
Like I wanted to discuss, I discussed it with myself again and again to check if I was right or wrong. Now I wanted to rectify.
It is fine. No, I'm joking only. Don't worry. So yes, someone is
Sir,
saying
so
something.
sir, can I?
Yes.
So here the answer which you gave was square root of 5 and square root of
I didn't
2.
give this answer. This
Sorry.
is that auto-generated paper.
Yes, sir. So whole square root 2 into square root of 5. So when I saw it, I actually got 2 answers. After which I also checked online about it, if it is right or wrong.
Yes.
So it shows wrong when I click on the second one because I feel what I thought at that moment is maybe two answers are not right for a question. The second C1 will go better. So I thought I would
No,
discuss.
I understood.
I would
I
put the
completely
C1.
understood your point. Yes, option will be yeah, you will be
Uh,
getting two options. Yes. So this question also I'll be
so will you
remove.
allot marks for this, sir?
No, 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 no. Look at it. I'll not be more. I'll not be allotting the marks to anyone. I'll remove that questions. Whatever the questions you had wrong, I'll remove them, and I'll give a percentage accordingly. Okay. For suppose, look, your maximum marks now 3 questions got removed. So out of 80, 12 questions were we had wrong questions. So 12 minus 12. So how much 68 you would be your maximum marks. So out of 68, whatever you get correct, I'll be giving you that marks into 100, so that you'll be getting a percentage. Correct.
Okay, sir.
So
I
that will
thought
be
you will add marks for that.
no, 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 no. We will not add the marks. We will be
You will
count.
remove the question.
You'll remove the question and give the marks, so that your percentage also will be not get affected. Okay.
Sir, and seriously, I didn't mean it in that way, sir. I just wanted to discuss
I,
it from the first. I just
it
wanted to.
is fine. It is fine. It is completely fine. I'm joking. Okay.
Okay, sir.
To make you laugh. Okay. Yes. 10th question. The value of 0.423 bar is what?
423 by 990.
423 by.
So, like I started dividing everything.
Yes. How many? Sorry.
Sir, I started dividing all. But
So 423 by 990 comes a little different.
so what I did is here I didn't do anything. So 423 by 1000 means 0.423 only, no, sir. So 423 by 990. I didn't check the answer also.
Yes. How many of you did this?
Sir, but that's recurring. So again and again the same number should come.
It is a recurring number. So how many of you did this?
Sir, I did that. I got D.
Even I got D.
0.4.
Went with option C and it went wrong, sir.
Yes. Option D should be correct option. 419. Next question, beta. I think we're done with the time, beta. Have your seniors class. So remaining questions will be discussing in the next class. At the same time, we'll be playing the quiz as well. Okay. At the
So I
same
have a
time,
small question.
yes, yes. Make it fast. It's
Will
been
you
already 2 minutes. Delay.
allot marks after the discussion in will you allot marks after the discussion in the next class, or will you allot marks today only? Because maybe
so,
the
yeah, there might be like few mistakes in the rest of the 10 questions as well. So yeah, better I'll be updating the marks after discussing those remaining 10 questions. Would it be fine? If you have any doubts, in the remaining 10 questions, please go through that. Let me know. I'll check and I'll give the marks today itself. You please check that.
okay.
Check the remaining 10 questions and let me know if any mistakes. Okay, I'll go through that once again. I'll check it out and I'll update the marks. Okay.
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 Thank you.
Thank you all. And yes, Shreyasi, and hope it is clear. Shahu, hope it is
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Great. Sohan
Thank you,
Ram,
sir.
please
Bye,
be on
sir.
time.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yes. Okay. Vedika, Joya, please be on time and try to attempt all the tests. Joya. Ayesha, is it clear, Ayesha?
Yes, sir.
See, I don't see Ayesha's response in the class, but you must respond. Vishnu, you as well. Manogna, okay, I saw Manogna talking in the class, but I never saw Vishnu, Ayesha, Anshul, Vedika talking in the class. Like usually, Anvesha and Nityasri were very actively in the class, and Manogna as well, and Ananya as well, Shreyasi as well. Very good. And I don't see others like bit they were not talking. So I'll be taking their names if at all you are responding properly in the class. Okay, everyone did very well job. Please go through your mistakes and come up with your doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Sir, will you be able to explain question number 9 tomorrow?
Question
Next
number?
class.
Yes, sir, definitely. Everything will be discussing, and make sure that you all are going through the question paper and making and going through your mistakes. If at all you find out any mistake, if at all you find any doubt, immediately text me. Don't wait till the next class. Immediately text me. You have my WhatsApp number. You can text me, sir. I have a doubt in this question. Can you check once and update the mark?
So tomorrow are we gonna discuss the paper?
Sorry.
So tomorrow we're discussing the paper, right?
Yeah,
Again?
we'll be discussing.
I mean, the remaining question.
We will be discussing. It does not mean that you shouldn't go through that. I'm telling you that if at all you have any doubts, even though your answer is wrong, your answer is correct, but option showing is wrong. In such cases, I'm talking about. See, it happened with many questions, right? It happened with the 3 questions. Your answer is wrong, but the options was not given to you correctly. So if you find any such questions, you just let me know. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow I'll let you know, sir. Thank
sir.
you, sir, guys.
Okay. Bye. Thank you,
Bye,
everyone.
sir. Thank you.
Bye. Take care, beta.